around. Keep getting caught in my neck strap. So I'm wearing ghosts and pumpkins and pumpkin ghosts. I stop for a second. See? Oh, and there's some kitties in there and bats. I'm wearing this one already. It's nice. Oh, there he is. Doing a little stretch. Hi, kitty. Oh yeah, you got another one for me. Hi. Good morning. Mel was angry with me yesterday. He snapped. You're not going to do that, are you? You love me. You love me so much. Yes, you do. He's purring. Standing on my foot. Yeah, you are. Hi, kitty. You're so happy. So full of love. So happy. Yeah. Oh, little kitty. I'm just excited to see me. Yeah, that's my mic. Oh, little mic boop. Happy tail eggs. Yeah. What you doing? What you doing? Such a good kitty. Yeah. He likes to press his body against me and just be near me. He's so sweet. I'm going to go on a walk here in a second. I'm just going to give you your pets. Yeah. What's up? His body's so warm. Oh, kitty. Hey. You're so sweet. Hey. Little kitty. Where are you? Ooh. There you are. Hi. Woo. Oh. I thought he was going to claw me, but he just held my hand. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to start walking here. Oh, okay. Bye-bye. Good timing. A whole bunch of chickens poking around. And there's some sparrows. There's one down there too. Okay, I'm keep walking. I see a crow. He's poking around looking for stuff. Ooh. Hi there. Hey. Oh. Where are you? Oh, you're behind me. Hi there. Good morning. Oh, I got your treats. One second. I know the little guy behind me's watching too. Here. There we go. Okay. Oh, where'd he go? He was on that. Oh. Okay. Someone coming? Maybe that's him. I don't know. Alright. Well, you enjoy that. Maybe he's waiting for his friends to eat the rest. join. Alright, well, I'm gonna keep walking. It's there if you want it. Okay, I see a few. They're joining now. Should be at least 3 over there now. They did such a nice job with this painting. I'm so impressed. It looks great. Oh, hey, how are you? I saw your shadow. There's another one. Hi there. Oh, you guys need some treats. I'm gonna set it over here so it doesn't get run over by any cars. Okay, there you go. Oh, oh my gosh, that was close. Alright, well, you enjoy that. You almost landed on my head. Well, see you later. There he goes. Go get him. Well, there you go. And this other guy, he went in the yard. Somewhere. I can't see with the sun in my eyes. Huh. Hi. Are you one of the ones I just fed, or are you someone new? Well, one second. I got treats for you either way. There. So it don't roll away. Oh, where'd you go? Hey, did you see it? Yeah. They seem happy today. They're all circling around me, getting real close. Okay, see you later. There's another one. Gonna join them. Pretty sure. Bye bye. There's treats for you. Go get it. He's got the right idea. Go join him. There's this guy over here. Hey. You probably followed me from the school. Oh, here comes someone else. Oh, where are we? There. Okay, I'll get you some more treats. Okay, here we go. Off to the side, just a little. There. Oh, hello. Yay, and another one. Woo. All right. Well, you enjoy that. Okay, I'm gonna keep walking. He'll come back. Hey, I see you. Good morning. Let's get you some treats. 1 second. Get somewhere I can see you a little better. There you are. Hi. Get you a nice little pile right here. There you go. Okay. I hope you like that. See you later. Well, I know he's going to get it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, good. Kitty! Oh, hi Kitty! I was so zoomed in. Hi! You found me again! Standing on my foot. That's the mic. Hey kitty. Who's a good kitty? Still happy to see me. You want all the pets, don't you? You can't get enough. Yeah. I gotta go make food for Mama. Kitty. Hi. Good kitty. Yeah. Oh, I love you too. With the kinky tail. Yeah. He's a happy boy. Oh, meow. Meow. I gotta go. Love you. I'm gonna go home now. I'll see you later. I gotta go. There's the neighbor's kitty. Velcro. I'm gonna take a quick peek at you because you're so cute. Hi kitty kitty. What a sweet kitty. Okay, time to go.